Hello Fly Babies, hello patrons, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to tell you about our Patreon and review for the week of October 8th through October 14th. So these are the 5 things that we talked about during this week on Patreon. If you're not a patron with me through Patreon, go to patreon.com and you can sign up for $5 for a whole month of videos just like these. Here are the videos. The first one was planning for busy times. That was a request from Laura Lee, and I made that video with you in mind because I know many of us have busy times and it's hard to figure out just how to plan. On Tuesday, I talked about tools for the job. That was a request from Leda. And Leda, I made this for you and for all of us, talking about the importance of using the right tools for the right job. On Wednesday, managing multiple households. This was a request from Elizabeth and maybe Laura Lee, I can't remember, but I know Elizabeth asked me for that, so I made the managing multiple households video for you, all of you. On Thursday, making errand day count, how to really maximize that day. And for Friday, the video was planning your week. I think that's a really good one for you to pay attention to. We talk about it a lot, but it's very specific, and I want you to really buckle down and discipline yourself to do that. All right, that's it for today. That's Patreon and review. If you're a patron and you haven't been over there this week, look what you missed. Come on. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.